Outstanding design defines the 2007 Ford Edge. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. It includes heated seats, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, automatic temperature control, remote keyless entry, and power seats. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.